Welcome. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to reconnect with our inner guidance and universal intelligence. Many of us often feel disconnected, searching for clarity and direction. This meditation is designed to help you tap into the powerful sources of wisdom within you, guiding you towards insight and understanding. Inner guidance and universal intelligence are ever-present sources of wisdom and insight, accessible to anyone willing to listen. These powerful forces can illuminate our path and bring profound clarity to our lives. As we connect with these sources, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of our true selves and the world around us. Before we begin, ensure that you have an open mind, a willingness to listen, and a quiet, comfortable space for reflection. Now, settle into your space and prepare to journey inward. Go ahead and sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Silently or aloud, set an intention for this meditation. It could be seeking clarity on a specific issue, connecting with your inner self, or simply finding peace. Focus on your breath, noticing the rhythm and sensation. Gradually let go of any tension in your body, starting from your head and moving down to your toes. Visualize a warm, golden light surrounding you, bringing a sense of calm and protection. Imagine a light within your heart center, growing brighter with each breath. Silently ask your inner guidance for clarity or answers. Trust that the wisdom will come to you, even if not immediately. Now, let's spend a few minutes in stillness, listening and being open to any thoughts, feelings, or images that arise. Trust whatever comes to you, even if it seems unrelated or unexpected. And if any emotions come up, just surrender, lean into them. You are safe to feel these emotions. To help visualize the process, practice asking for guidance. Breathe deeply. Focus on your heart center and silently ask, what do I need to know right now? Pause, listen, and note any feelings or thoughts that come up. Believe in the insights you receive, even if they seem subtle or unexpected. Sometimes answers can come gradually. Be patient and open to receiving guidance over time. The universe often communicates through signs and synchronicities. Stay aware of patterns or messages in your daily life. If your mind is restless, focus on your breath or repeat a calming mantra. Today, we explored the importance of connecting with inner guidance and universal intelligence. By practicing meditation, setting intentions, and being open to the wisdom within, we can navigate our lives with greater clarity and purpose. Remember, the insights you seek are always within reach. After the meditation, take a moment to write down any insights or messages you received. This can help solidify your connection and provide clarity. When you are ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Start to move your body and stretch a little. I encourage you to practice these techniques regularly. Share your experiences in the comments below and explore further videos on spiritual growth and self-discovery. Thank you for joining this meditation journey. May you find the guidance and clarity you seek. Take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your inner growth